If you have ever had a perfectly seasoned steak or an expensive roast ruined because you pulled it off the heat a few minutes too late, the Chef IQ Sense is the upgrade you need. This isn't just another meat thermometer. It is a sophisticated, precision-engineered tool designed to take the guesswork out of cooking once and for all. The Gen 3 model is a massive leap forward in cooking technology, blending extreme durability with smart, real-time connectivity. Here's why the Chef IQ Sense is a game-changer for your kitchen and backyard. Wi-Fi unlimited range. Unlike Bluetooth thermometers that force you to hover near the grill, the Sense uses Wi-Fi to give you unlimited range. You can walk to the mailbox, run an errand, or hang out in the living room while your food cooks. You'll get live updates straight to your phone wherever you are. 5 cents of precision. This is where the magic happens. While standard probes only check the center temperature, the Sense features 5 independent sensors that map the temperature across the entire probe. It identifies the true, coldest point of your meat, ensuring you never have a medium-rare steak that is actually raw in the middle. Built for every heat source, whether you are searing at high temps, roasting in the oven, or slow smoking for hours. This probe is 1000 degrees Fahrenheit heat safe. It works flawlessly in your grill, smoker, oven, and even your air fryer. Ultra-thin design, it is incredibly sleek, minimizing the puncture hole in your meat. This means your juices stay inside the cut where they belong, leading to a much more tender, flavorful result. It is designed to give you chef-level consistency every single time you cook. It takes the anxiety out of managing complex dishes, allowing you to focus on the flavor rather than constantly checking the clock. If you are finally ready to stop overcooking your meals and start serving restaurant-quality results every single time, you can find the best price for the Chef IQ Sense by clicking the link below.